Hey guys, in today's video, I found out that Animal Company had a update. Now, first of all, one of the things is this super cool katana. Look at that. Look at those patterns, man. Another thing is this. I don't know what it's called, but we're going to call it the Shamrock Locator. Now, it beeps faster every single time we find one. And there's actually one right here. Apparently, if we get 4 or more, we get a golden one. So we are going to be collecting these. There's also a whirlpool in the little lake. So we're gonna go there. Put this away. I'm moving very slow. Yeah, see? There's a whirlpool right here. Now, I don't know how to get out, but hold on. Actually, no. I'm gonna keep our stuff just in case. But we're gonna go in the whirlpool. Whee! The whirlpool takes us to a boat. Whee! Yeah. Look at this. AC recording, huh? There it is. Oh, sweet. Yeah, this is the little boat. You know, the Megalodon apparently was a boat all along. Going over here, if I'm correct. I found the teleporter. If I'm correct, I think over here you'll find the Megalodon head. Nope, okay. We need to go the other way. Can we grab on this though? No, okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure over here. Yeah, this way, in the very front, will be the Megalodon head. Here. Whoa! Pick it up. Hear it? Oh, breathing. This is the Megalodon head. We're right on top of it. Look at that. Let's jump down. Look at that. Look at that creepy thing. So the Megalodon head is on the boat. So it's either the Megalodon was at boat all along, or pirates found it and turned it into a head. So this is really cool in my opinion. Let's get up. Anything in here? Nope. Just the head. Okay, that's cool though. How am I gonna get out? That's my question. I think I'm stuck. No, we're not. Here. I don't like the noise it's making. Very creepy. So this is the boat where you go on. You can fish here. This is like a leaderboard or something, I think. So that's cool. Let's go up here. Up here. There's a teleporter. Oh. Okay, so that's that. So the teleporter's over here. Okay, sick. Oh, hey, Jacob. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. This is really cool. Hey, stop! So let's get out of the whirlpool. Yeah! Sweet. So that is the boat. It's where the it's where it takes you. Where is it? Oh. It's in the same spot? Oh no, I think I see another. Somewhere. Okay. I think I saw the other Shamrock. Okay. Where's the Shamrock? Is it here? Oh, so this one just keeps teleporting. Okay, let's see. Let's look for more shamrocks. So let's go this way. Oh, not want to do that. Actually, probably could do that. Let's see, any shamrocks in here? Probably not. Let's grab these purples right now. Whoa, no, we fell. No! Okay, we're just gonna grab these purples. No. Oh, we're not getting anything right now. Oh. I heard that. There's a shamrock somewhere in here. In here? It's blinking somewhere. Maybe down here. Shamrock. Amazing, my guy. Alright, I want to get out of here now. I don't like it in here. It's scary. Well, we got one. I got 3 of them right now. So that's cool. I have no idea where the other ones are. But so far, this update is pretty cool. I really like the shark head. I think that's fun. I also like the shamrock thingamajiggy. It's gonna go this way. Is it here again? No, it hasn't spawned. Okay, let's look for it. Let's see. Let's see if there's one in stage 5. Let's see if there's one in stage 5. Let's go. Stage 5, here I come. Oh. Yep. Definitely someone in stage 5. Oh, no, we're leaving it. Here, maybe? No, Shamrock's not in here. Let's go to the other place. Let's see. Nope, not in here. Let's see, where could it be? In here, maybe? Nope, getting a lot lighter, so definitely not in here. I found it. Sweet. Look at this. Beautiful. Let's see if there's one in like actually stage 5. So let's go there. We're also gonna see if there's one in Forest and Lake. Oh. Yup. Nope, it's leaving. Is it maybe on the couch? Let's see. Nope. It's somewhere. Somewhere here? Nope. So it's somewhere near stage 5. Let's see. Nope, we're leaving it. Where is it? Behind here, on top here? Nope. There? Nope. Where could it be? Nope, not right there. Maybe up here? Nope. Okay. How about over here? Nope. How about over in here? No, it's just getting lighter. Shamrock? Let's see. It's gotta be somewhere. Did it just respawn or something? No, it didn't. Where is it then? Where's this shamrock? Is it up there? I think it's up there. How do we get up there though? Parkour. Yep. I parkour. Nope. Hi, Smokey. Goody. here? Shamrock up here? I don't think so. Yeah, it's not up here. Where could it be then? Where could this shamrock be? I have no idea where it is. Alright, we're just gonna give up on that one. But it's definitely somewhere. Let's see. Has this one spawned yet? Let's see. Nope. Okay, let's see if there's one in Lake. There's probably like one or two in every single map, probably. Whee. So we're gonna go grab this one that I know for a fact is respawned. Yup. Yup. Look at that. We got a golden one. Oh yeah. Where should we go in sewers? No, we're going to lake. We're going to lake first. Let's go there. Anything in lake? Let's see. Probably be in the water if there was one in lake. Let's see. How much do these shamrocks even sell for? Are you supposed to sell them? I have no idea, but you probably are. Okay, I don't think there's one in lake. But we're gonna go over here. No, I don't think there's one in lake. Alright, we're going. Yeah, I don't think there's one in lake. So we're leaving that. We're going to forest, which seems like the most logical place a shamrock would be. Let's see. Right here. Ooh, nope, just an ogre. Just a creepy, scary ogre. I don't hear one yet. Wee. I don't think there's one in here. We're gonna continue though. We're gonna continue. Right here, maybe. One in here? Nope. Alright, well, I honestly don't think there's a shamrock in lake and forest. So we're gonna go down in sewers and see if there's a shamrock in there. So let's go. Oh, sewers, oh, sewers. Actually, I'm gonna get a grapple just in case. I don't want to lose my shamrocks. I have the most poor spot back here. There we go. Sweet. Got a grapple. Let's go. Whee! Why is it red? I don't like that. I don't like how it's red. Is it glitched? Oh, no, it's just on the other side of the wall. Ow. Let's go. Kill it. Got it. Get these purple pills. Nope, we ain't got anything. This way. Oh, I'm cooked. No. Okay, we need to run back as quick as we can. We're gonna get a flashlight. Actually, I could just. There we go. We just do that. Down we go. Sweet. Okay, we can see a little better now. Ow. Yeah, flashy. Leave that right there. Ooh, present for them. Sweet. Can't see anything, my guy. Well, they changed shoes a little bit too. Okay. Yeah, okay, it's on. I don't think there is one. I don't like this. Go. Me. Aha. Okay, I'm gonna change hands real quick. Just in case. Okay, yeah, this will make it grappleable. That's good. I'm scared. Yeah, I don't think there is one in here. Like, maybe by the exit, but I don't know. Whoa! Bro! Oh my gosh. This is why I have a grapple. This is why I have a grapple. Whoo! Okay, I really did not like that. Uh-huh. The exit. Yeah, I don't think there's a shamrock in here either. Let's see. Oh, I forgot there's one right there. Okay, we're gonna grab this one. What? Oh yeah, I forgot. First, let's actually just get a bigger backpack. But first of all, we're gonna see how much one normal shamrock costs. Okay, going over here, grabbing our sword. There's a counter. One shamrock sells for 441. Not bad. Okay, we're gonna go in here and see. Actually, no. First, we're gonna get a bigger backpack. I don't know why I got a small one, but I did. So, I think I got extras in here. Ugh. My bad. That was nasty. Let's just take out all this stuff. Or is this the big one? Hold up. I need to see. Yeah, that's the big one. We are not taking that. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, we're placing that back there. I don't even know why I have a backpack full of ammo. So we're gonna take all that out. I'm sorry, I'm slow. Can I check that out, please? Thank you. Go there. Sweet. Wait, no, I need to grab the backpack. Bro, what am I doing? Sweet, okay. Perfect. Place that in there. Let's grab our grapple and sword back. Let's go this way into Nut Horizon. Kablooey. Let's see. So far, I don't think there is one. I don't really hear it. Actually, if there would be one, it would probably be in the secret area, so we're gonna go there. Bloom. Wee. Up, up, and away. Kaboom. Let's see if there's one in here. I don't think there is. I don't think there is. Yeah, there's definitely not one in Nut Horizon 2. So yeah, there's not really many around here. But yeah, we're gonna go back up. Let's go. Boing. Boing. Wee! So honestly, I don't think there's many spots for the shamrocks yet. But honestly, so far this update's pretty cool. So I like that. anyways, that's gonna be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great rest of your day / night. Happy Patrick's Day. NPC out. Ah!